Today let's do Vibhagya Pranayama, that is sectional breathing. This is a preparatory breathing practice for pranayama. It corrects the wrong breathing pattern and increases the vital capacity of the lungs. It has 4 practices. First, abdominal breathing, deep abdominal breathing. Sit in any comfortable posture, either Sukhasana or Vajrasana. Back straight. Place your palms resting on the thighs in Chin Mudra. That is, touch your thumb and index finger and palms facing the roof. Now you have to inhale deeply, slowly and continuously, and exhale slowly and completely. When you inhale, your abdomen should bulge out, and when you exhale, your abdomen is drawn inwards. You have to suck in your abdomen. So this is the practice. Let's start the practice. Close your eyes. Keep your palms in Chin Mudra. Inhale, abdomen bulges out. Exhale, sinks back. 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 Relax. In abdominal breathing, the air fills the lower lobes of the lungs. Here you should avoid the movement of your chest. Only you have to move your abdomen out and in. Next, we'll move on to thoracic breathing, that is chest level breathing. Now keep your palm in Chinmaya Mudra, that is, touch your thumb and index finger and touch the remaining 3 fingers to the center of your palm, that is Chinmaya Mudra. So here you have to inhale and expand the chest muscles, and exhale, relax. Let's start the practice. Inhale, expand your chest. Exhale, relax. 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 Relax. So here you have to avoid the movement of your abdomen. Only chest has to move up and down. So in chest level breathing, your middle lobes of your lungs will be filled with oxygen. Next, we'll move on to clavicular breathing with Adi Mudra. Throughout the practice, you have to sit straight, either in Sukhasana or Vajrasana. Now, fold your thumb and touch your thumb to the center of your palm and close your thumb with your remaining 4 fingers. This is Adi Mudra. So now, while inhaling, you have to raise the collarbones and shoulders upwards and backwards. And while exhaling, drop down the shoulders. Let's start the practice. Inhale, shoulders up and back. Exhale, relax. 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 Relax. In this breathing, you have to avoid the movement of your chest and abdomen. Only your clavicular bones, that is your shoulder bone, should move up and down. Next, we'll move on to full yogic breathing, the combination of the above 3 breathing techniques, that is combination of abdominal breathing, thoracic breathing and shoulder level breathing. So here you have to adopt Brahma Mudra, that is make a fist in your hand and bring your palms near your navel point and the palms facing the roof. While inhaling, first your abdomen should bulge out, then expand your chest muscle and raise your collarbones, that is shoulders. While exhaling, first suck in your abdomen, relax your chest and relax your shoulders. This is the breathing pattern. Let's start the practice. Back straight, adapt Brahma Mudra and keep your palms near your navel point. Inhale, abdomen bulge out, expand your chest, raise your shoulders. Exhale, suck in your abdomen, relax your chest, relax your shoulders. Inhale, abdomen bulge out, expand your chest, expand your shoulders. Exhale, suck in your abdomen, relax your chest, relax your shoulders. Inhale, abdomen bulge out, expand your chest, raise your collarbones. Exhale, suck in your abdomen, relax your chest, relax your shoulders. Inhale, abdomen bulge out, expand your chest, raise your collarbones. Exhale, suck in your abdomen, relax your chest, relax your shoulders. Inhale, abdomen bulge out, expand your chest, raise your collarbones. Exhale, suck in your abdomen, relax your chest, relax your shoulders. Inhale, abdomen bulge out, expand your chest, raise your collarbones. Exhale, suck in your abdomen, relax your chest, relax your shoulders. Inhale, abdomen bulge out, expand your chest, raise your shoulders. Exhale, suck in your abdomen, relax your chest, relax your shoulders. Relax. Feel the calmness in you. The whole process should be relaxing and comfortable without any tension on the face. You can do this breathing either in lying down posture or sitting posture. All the breathings should be performed through the nose and not through the mouth. This breathing technique completely gives you calmness and your thinking and clarity will improve. When you feel tired or angry, practice of full yogic breathing will help in calming down your mind and revitalizing it. There is no limitation for this breathing technique. Relax.